The School of Biotechnology and Bio-Informatics was established in 2003, and within a decade we have gone several strides in the education of biotechnology and bioinformatics. We have added new courses like MSc in genetic engineering, in biomedical engineering, and of late, very recently, food science and technology. We are very proud of our faculty who are extremely good at research and have produced very good alumni members. The alumni are occupying coveted positions in research institutions, in academic institutions within the country and abroad. And most interestingly, a very large number of them have turned entrepreneurs, and very successful entrepreneurs in the milieu of the Indian biotechnology context. Encouraged by this fact, we established the incubator, where we are currently incubating about 4 projects. One by the industry called STEMmed, doing work in the stem cell research for medical products. 3 of our projects are projects by students, internal projects. We are funded by the university, and the projects are in the area of bioremediation, biofuels, and others. Besides this, we conduct international and national workshops and exchange programs for the students and the faculty. And the mission of this institute is to produce skilled manpower and to become a resource center for biotechnology education and information. We are very much aware of our social responsibilities, and many of our projects that the students do is to make aware the society of the impacts that biotechnology can have in the repair of the environment and sustainability of health, food and environment. Our school had very strong collaborations earlier with the University of Lancashire, UK. We also have currently collaborations with the University of Vienna, and we're looking forward for good, strong collaborations, international collaborations in research and exchange programs for our students, and education of any kind which will take the country and students ahead. We being a health science university, our department also contributes towards new medical devices, making of new medical devices, and other research towards medical solutions. And our students are extremely encouraged and excited about the current situation and the biotechnology ecosystem in the country.
Hi, I am Mustansir Bhori. I am an assistant professor in the School of Biotechnology and Bio-Informatics. Myself have been associated with this lab now since the time this lab has begun, 2003. This facility is basically for animal cell culture. So we have different types of high-end equipments that are required for doing this process. Like you see over here is an inverted microscope for observing cells. We have a CO2 incubator. We have biosafety cabinets, we have thermocyclers, gel documentation systems, and so on. The kind of experiments that are done over here are experiments which are done by both BTech as well as MTech graduates those who are in their 6th semester as well as in their 9th semester. For master students as well, people who are doing their masters in biotechnology also are allowed to work in this lab. Apart from this, PhD students as well as people from other institutes and universities are also allowed to access this laboratory with proper permissions.
Hi, I'm Dr. Azza and this is the Food Science and Technology Lab. Currently, we have 2 laboratories under this program. One is the Food Analysis Lab, which is backside, and this is the Food Processing Lab. We have 2 courses in this department. One is the postgraduate course, which is the MSc in Food Science and Technology, and an undergraduate course, which is BTech in Food Science and Technology. We have lots of projects going on currently, and 3 of these are going to be more elaborated by my students.
Hi, my name is Augustine Savio and my project is processing tomatoes for making ketchup and doing a sensory evaluation on them. We rated the tomato ketchup on the basis of taste, appearance, texture, mouthfeel, and we rated it based on a 9-point hedonic scale, and we gave the ketchup for sensory evaluation to all our staff, and they rated the ketchup accordingly.
Hello, my name is Nabha Sheikh. I am a postgraduate student of Food Science and Technology. We are doing a project on determination of ash content from different food samples. We have taken food sample as cornflakes and ragi flour. We are going to determine the ash content. Ash content determination is important because it determines the adulteration in the food sample and also the mineral content in the food sample. It is also important for the proximate analysis of food before further research is carried out on the food sample.
The main focus of research in this laboratory is conservation of medicinal plants through micropropagation technology. Once the plants are established in the field, we are also interested in testing their genetic fidelity using molecular markers. We also carry out phytochemical profiling of the tissue culture plants and compare them with the mother plants in order to establish their application as a source for secondary metabolite extraction. Apart from this, we are also carrying out transgenic research wherein we transform the medicinal plants with Agrobacterium rhizogenes with the aim of producing hairy root cultures, which is one of the methods for enhancing the secondary metabolite production in plants.
Hello, I'm Bhakti Matre. I'm doing my PhD here since last 3 years. My PhD topic is anti-cancer property of a plant extract. We have lot of facilities over here, and the people from outside are also encouraged to carry on their PhD work here.
The school is trying to promote research stimuli into the students by making them interact with the scientists at a national and international level, conferences and workshops. In the end, I would like to say that we are very happy to be a part of this initiative, and it has helped us to learn a lot of research aspects through this.